Class. Admin choose as any type in Hindi. Thank you. Everyone has to train their utu servers, utu paru, and all good on the web to the benefits of thank you. It is very cold in winter. We may shiver if we do not wear warm clothes in this season. Thank you. Spring season is between winter and summer. During spring season, flowers bloom, grass grow, it gets warmer. Thank you. Now we have created children to perform a